皆さんこんにちは。毎日少しずつ社交に使える英語の上達を目指すソーシャルイングリッシュポッドキャストへようこそ。今日はぜひもっと自信を持って英会話してみましょう。 Are you ready, Parsi? Let's go!
Hello everyone. I am really excited today for today's episode of the Social English Podcast. Why? Because I cannot wait to share with you today's episode. Today we are going to tackle another English repair shop problem where a reader and listener of the podcast has asked me to fix her English passage. Okay, her name is Anne, and I'm going to talk about her English passage. We're going to correct it with social English. So at the end of today's episode, if you want to say what she said, you can do it easily. Okay, so that's pretty much what's going to happen today. And like I said before, I am so happy that you're here and you took some time out of your busy day to spend it with me. If you are new to the Social English Podcast, welcome. What we do here on this podcast is we interview listeners and we correct any issues or questions that they may have about one particular social English question. Also, I will give you insights by telling you specific things about North American English and social culture and customs that will prepare you for your journey to getting better at English. As an added bonus, you will be more comfortable because that's my goal. That's my aim. I want you, the listener, to be more comfortable and confident so that you can go visit America and go to check out the Empire State Building. You can go to England, go look at Big Ben, have a conversation with the local English people there. I want you to have the confidence so that you know at any time you want to do that, you can easily do this. Okay, so let's do this together. All right, awesome. Okay, so first, I want you to close your eyes. And I want you to picture me and you are at a cafe and we are just having a great time. I'm Percy and I am your American friend. So, of course, I speak completely clear American English. And you are sitting across from me and we are having a great time having our favorite coffee. I happen to like mocha. So we're having our favorite coffees and maybe a snack, maybe a muffin, a scone, a cookie. And we are talking about English. Okay? So just please relax and think about this as I talk to you. Okay. So basically, this is our social English repair shop. Okay. And in the repair shop, we're going to take some English dialogue written by a Japanese learner of English, and we are going to correct it using social English, a kaiwa, also, and give you options so that you can also say what they want to say and you understand what they were trying to say in English. Okay, that way all of us learn better English and you can improve your English every day. Okay, so let's talk about the passage. This is from Anna. This is what she asked me to fix. Listen to see if you can hear the mistakes. Okay. Japanese learner of English. Here is their dialogue. Last night, right before the bedtime, my daughters were playing with futon, being Baymax, and laughing so hard. Nice to see and hear kids laughing. One more time. Last night, right before the bedtime, my daughters were playing with futon, being the Baymax, and laughing so hard. Nice to see and hear kids laughing. Okay, that is what Anna asked me to correct. So I will. Let's first separate each one, each line, each part of her dialogue using social English to correct what she said. Okay. Social English correction. Last night, right before bedtime, my daughters played with our futon, pretending it was Baymax. They laughed so much. It's so nice to see and hear my kids laughing. Last night, right before bedtime, my daughters played with our futon, pretending it was Baymax. They laughed so much. It's so nice to hear my kids laughing. Okay, so that is the social English correction to that particular passage. Now, I want to say it one more time, with actually two more times. The first time, I will say the passage of Anna, and then I will say the corrected English right after that passage. And then after all of those, I want to say the complete passage in normal conversational, not written, but normal English speed. Okay? Okay, so let's start. Here is Anna. Okay. Last night, right before the bedtime. Social English correction. Last night, right before bedtime. Anna. My daughters were playing with futon, being like Baymax. Social English. My daughters played with our futon, pretending it was Baymax. Anna. And laughing so hard. Social English. They laughed so hard. Correction. They laughed so much. Anna. Nice to see and hear kids laughing. Social English. It's so nice to see and hear my kids laughing. Okay, here is the entire passage in regular English speed that you may hear. Last night, right before bedtime, my daughters played with our futon pretending it was Baymax. They laughed so much. It's so nice to see and hear my kids laughing. Okay, one more time, regular English speed. Last night, right before bedtime, my daughters played with our futon pretending it was Baymax. They laughed so much. It's so nice to see and hear my kids laughing. Okay, all right, that'll be all for today's Social English. I really want to ask you a question. Did you hear the changes that I made? Do you understand the differences and why I made those changes? Okay, I hope so. Don't worry and feel free to listen to this episode many times as you want. You can listen to it on slow motion or any other type of way that'll help you improve your English. So don't worry, because we are here for you and we have you covered here at the Social English Podcast. Okay. So, well, thank you. Thanks for joining me today on the Social English Podcast. Please don't hesitate to come to our website where you can get your free download, The 7 Mistakes Most Japanese Learners of English Make and How to Fix Them. You can find that on our website at realsocialenglish.com. Okay, also, we are giving away weekly 5,000 yen Amazon gift card. We're going to have a weekly giveaway. How can you become part of the giveaway? First, you need to subscribe to our podcast at Apple Podcasts. 2, you need to share with at least 5 friends. 3, you need to submit your email by downloading the 7 Mistakes PDF. And that's all. You will be entered into the contest where you can win a 5,000 yen Amazon gift card to use to buy anything you like at Amazon.com. All right. So once again, thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to also subscribe to our podcast. Visit our website where you can find many tools and things to make you a better English speaker. Okay? Also, we have Twitter accounts, so you can follow us on Twitter. You can follow us on Facebook. You can follow us on Instagram. Look for Social English for Japanese Learners. Once again, subscribe to our podcast. I am Percy. It was great spending this time with you today, and I will see you in our next episode. Peace. Have a great day.
今日は楽しい時間をありがとうございました。ぜひ私たちのウェブサイト realsocialenglish.com を訪問して日本語訳と役立つ情報を手に入れてください。また次回お会いしましょう。バイバイ。See you next time. Bye bye.